every winter, we obviously want to make sure that the furnace is running okay. We run into any issues throughout the entire winter time. So what I'm gonna do is basically test all the motors, make sure that all the switches and safety switches are gonna work properly, and that there's no gas leaks. Make sure that the flame's looking nice, and there's no power issues. So let's take a look at that. First of all, we gotta turn it on, make sure everything, see if there's any issues before at startup, and then look for issues during while it's running. Also, we also want to make sure that the capacitors are good, just in case. Sometimes when the capacitors go out, motors may tend to go out, so we gotta test those capacitors as well. Also, if you want to take a look at this flame right here, might be barely able to tell, but very nice and cool inside there. That's how you know the gas pressures are dialed in perfectly. everything mechanically is working pretty good. Went through all my check through. Now I just have to let it run for quite a while, make sure everything, we don't run into any issues while the system is running. So I just gotta let it run for a while now.